And the last lesson that I wish I would have known is that people or relationships are more important than technology or ideas. I have come to believe that business is all about relationships, right? So when you pay for something and you get an item in exchange, that's a relationship. But it's maybe more clear if it's something that you love, that you're buying. So if I look around, I'll probably see some Apple computers, right? And I'll talk to some Mac users who hate Microsoft, right? They're like, oh, Microsoft is so evil. They're so bad, I'll never buy anything from them. Oh, but Apple, look how amazing their designs are. Look at their product, it's so amazing, it never crashes. I mean, they're actually enthusiastic and passionate about what they're buying. There's a relationship between the company and the customer. And the reason is that that company is solving a problem that matters to the customer. So much so that the customer will hug you, right? I mean, if you think about it in sports, it's even more compelling, right? Look at this guy. It looks like he's meeting his long-lost brother or something. I mean, and he's hugging Ronaldo probably because he won the game or something, right? He's a consumer. He's watching the sports. He's paying to be there. He's paying for the jerseys. He's paying for the jacket that has a team logo on. He has a relationship with the team. The stronger the relationship, the better your company is, because you're addressing some need in the customer. And it even goes further than that with coworkers, co-founders, investors. If you can create and build good, strong relationships, you will be successful in business. And this is a picture I love. So this is a Republican hugging a Democrat. Why did he hug Obama? Because President Obama came in and said, was talking about how much he cared about small business. And the guy, this was in Florida, the business owner, said, I really felt that he cared. He really cared about my problem. And so he asked the Secret Service if he could hug President Obama, and they said sure, but they didn't know he was going to bear hug him. So on the front of the New York Times it says, the Secret Service allow this? But I mean, they're both smiling, right? So because there's this care that they're solving the problem. I love that picture. And so I'm going to try to go through this last bit quickly, but when I look back over my experience at Life Magnetics, that was the most compelling, interesting part. That's what I remember the most, isn't the technology achievements. It's nothing other than the relationships. And these are pictures of some different times in the company, closing the round, licensing the technology. But at each point, I love when there's people smiling, right? And even better if there's people hugging, because that's what it's about. That's what we remember at the end of our lives. It's the relationships that matter, not the material goods or even necessarily the achievements. Because achievements in themselves are always made greater, usually if they impact more people. So, I could go on with pictures of people, but to leave you with a couple last thoughts. Oh, and those are the 6 things, so I'm not going to summarize because we're running out of time. This was a quote given to me by one of my business mentors, and I love this. It says, "It's impossible," said pride. "It's risky," said experience. "Give it a try," whispered the heart. And I would just ask that you remember that adversity is not an adequate deterrent. Thank you.